Okay, what's going on, Tycoons? Another quick update on Open. That's Opendoor Technologies. Hopefully, you guys watched the sneak peek video. And if you did, you saw a little sneak peek at some of the options trading tycoons resources, and you got to see the unusual options activities and the sweeps channel open calls. All right. So today, as you can see, all right, Open is up 15%. All right, we knew Open was going to get to 24. We saw those 24 strike unusual activities, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys today how if you were monitoring, you could have went in today just strictly off of our resources and seeing the amount of money going into it. You could have known that that was a signal. All right, and you could have got in on some call options and followed the call contracts that were bought. All right. So if we go to today, I am going to go, we're looking at the stock chart right now. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys another quick sneak peek at the Discord, okay? And I'm going to share that screen with you guys. All right, so if we look here at Open, I have currently searched up Open. All right, I went to search in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, and what we have here is basically anything that says open on it. All right. So right here we have at 9:30 a.m. 9:38. So 8 minutes after market open, someone threw $175,000 at it, and then threw $190,000 at it. So that's basically almost 400,000 in calls, right? And then we have another 200,000, and then we have 450,000. So we went 400,000 to 600,000 to over $1 million in open calls. And Superman, he's one of the members of the Discord. I know for sure he grabbed some of the open calls. We had the 24 calls. And if he was still holding on to those, I believe he was, he should be up at least 100 to 200%. And then I mentioned right here at 10:34, there goes the big pop on open from those unusual activities. If we look further into the day, 419, okay, there was 500, almost 500,000 put in there. This is what would be a hedge, okay, because someone bought puts. That means they think the stock is going down. It's 125,000. So if you see $1.5 million worth of calls, okay, that's institutional money. All right, those are whales, or those institutional money, or that's a whale. Okay, so a hedge for $1 million position would be a 10% hedge for that would be $100,000 worth in puts. Okay, so that's basically what that is to me, if you ask me. And it has a really close expiration date. But this person right here bought, calls for 2023. All right. So just keep all that in mind. That's kind of how you read it. Okay. We had some more unusual option chain activity, 100,000 in strikes, 60,000 in strikes right here. And that's, the end of the data that we've got currently at the moment on open. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look back at the chart, and I want to show you guys what it may do next. Okay. We're going to go ahead and look at the 30-minute chart real quick. All right. And to me, this looks like a very clear cup. All right. If we come back up to here, which it did, then that's our cup. So we have a cup, and this, I like to draw the handle of a cup. All right. So the handle would be like this, cup and then handle. All right. So the handle I like to draw as a bearish channel. We have not, the day is not over yet. Okay. So what I have done is I have just a bearish channel here. All right. And basically what I'm going to do at the end of the day is I'm going to activate it, and I'm going to put it on the highs of the day, and then connect it to the next low. All right. The next lower high. And then I will adjust this most likely to, relative to the stock to where it is. But this is the 30-minute chart. I might give it some room to breathe, something like this. And just see where it goes. We'll see where it's at after close and see what it does. But so I just have this drawn up over here to the side, and just to give you guys an idea, basically it would come through here, right? The stock would fall. Okay, let's say it does fall because of this massive run up. All right, if we do fall and we come to here, all right, which is going to be our next support level. All right, we could bounce and then break out of this. And if we break out and open and close above here, we could head up to 28. All right. But if not, we could trade in between this bearish channel and then break out. You could just see it do that for a couple days. Or if we break below this channel, whenever this channel gets done, whenever we see where the stock is at for the day, all right, then basically you could say, okay, it's bearish. I have this big overreaction, but it's actually in a downtrend. Or the trend is your friend, so try to respect the trend. The trend right now is bullish. It was bearish, okay, and it stayed flatlined yesterday. Okay, it tried to run up and then it just flatlined basically, and then today we had this big pop up. So be on the lookout for it to pull back, all right, and then break above a cup and handle pattern, all right. But you're gonna have to go in and draw it yourself. Here's the cup, all right, and draw your handle, and wait for a breakout. You can wait for a breakout and then a retest and buy in on the retest, or however you want to trade. If you want some more ideas on it, watch some of my videos. I tend to go over cup and handles, inverse head and shoulders, bearish divergence, bullish divergence, make quick videos on a lot of different topics and indicators and things that you can use to help add to your trading strategy and make you a better trader overall. So if you like the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the private trading Discord that you got a sneak peek of, then you can go ahead and use code Zackley. There'll be a link in the description below. You can click there and use code Zackley, like the channel name Zackley Trades. Thank you guys for watching.